Now I'm going to do a quick test of what it sounds like. This is without the microphones on. Here I am way across the room over in my kitchen. How's it going? I'm way over here. And now here is a video with me having the microphone on, clipped right here on my sweatshirt, walking around. Hopefully you can hear me nice and clearly wherever I'm at. That's right. So you can see the difference. You can hear the difference.
Dual mics and dual receivers for flawless two-person recordings. 22-hour battery plus charging case for all-day recording. Studio-grade hi-fi sound with noise reduction everywhere. Meet the Rythflo Wireless Lavalier mic set today. 2 transmitters, 2 receivers, perfect for interviews and vlogs. Lightning and Type-C receivers switch between devices instantly. 131-foot wireless range gives you movement without audio dropouts. Sound deadening chip plus furry windscreen kills background noise. 70 decibel signal-to-noise delivers clear vocals for podcasts and videos. Simple plug-and-play setup for iPhone, Android, iPad, and laptop. Compact mics clip on invisibly, keeping your shots professional. Charging case stores accessories and powers 2 transmitters on the go. 2-year protection and friendly customer support give peace of mind. Ideal for creators, journalists, teachers, podcasters, and vloggers. Ready to level up your audio? Check this product out.